Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Manoj sir. Good afternoon to all my students.
All of you. Good afternoon, Susan Miss.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Come on, you switch on your videos and pay attention towards Manoj sir.
Yes, join with your videos. Yes, students, switch on your videos.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
Come on, all of you.
Good
Say good
afternoon,
afternoon,
madam.
madam.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Yes, switch on your videos, students. Fast. See, in last period we learnt about the maintain workplace safety, and today we will study the prevent accidents and emergencies. In web applications, how many sessions are here? 11. In that, 9 are over. Today we will study the 10th session, prevent accidents and emergencies. Okay, but before this, first we see the some points. Maintain workplace safety. See here, many of the students not switch on your videos. Dhanasri, Kshitija, Gauri, switch on your videos.
Switch on your video. Mukshada.
No need to again and again informing you. See here, when you are joined to any teacher spread, join with your videos only. See here, in that don't waste my time, your time.
And already I told
Fast.
the camera, so you need to keep it on. Yes, those who are keeping camera off. Few students they are requested, so their problems I know. But purposely
keep your camera properly, beta.
Not good student.
Yes, students, switch on your videos. Pranali, Parvinder, Nachiket, switch on your videos. Yes, Aryan, Atharva Patil, Bharat Kaulwar, fast. And here, now today's topic is very short, prevent accident and emergencies, and at the end of the session, today I will take your Menti quiz.
Yes, sir.
Join fast, remaining and inform to other students also, those who are not attending the class. Here, still few students not switch on your videos. Ananya, Omkar, yes, fast button.
Keep it on. Okay, okay.
Yes, Siddhi, very correct answer.
Aryan.
Parvinder Kaur, pay attention. Whom you are laughing to?
Come on fast.
Yes,
Pay attention what Manoj sir is saying.
Amay Dharmapure, Anushri, Aryan, Amit Kankan, Bhargavi.
Okay,
Yes. Switch on your videos fast button. Yes. Now I am sharing my screen. Let us see today's topic. But before this, we will study the last period topics. Now see here, maintain workplace safety. In that we learn the workplace, and we have to follow the some basic rules at workplace. Now what is meant by workplace? A place where we work. Means in your office, factory, or any company. That is known as workplace. Where we are working, there we have to follow the some basic safety rules. In that, fire safety rules, falls and slips, electrical safety, and use of first aid. Okay, these are the basic safety rules we have to follow at our workplace. Okay, now what is meant by fire safety rules? Here, in case of fire emergencies, the fire escape plan must be installed at proper level. Means where we are working, your organization plan, first you make or draw how many rooms are there. You label all the rooms, make the means windows in that, and two escape routes. And before any accident or means incident, first you decide where you have to meet. Okay, this, and conduct regular drills, maintenance of safety equipment. Okay, these all are the fire safety rules. Now, falls and slip safety rules. What is falls and slip safety rules? Workplace must be proper ventilated. Okay, where we are working, there air should be there circulated. Okay, floor must be clean and dry. Oil spills, dust must be immediately clean. Smoke alarms must be installed at proper intervals and keep workplace a non-smoking zone. These all are the false and safety rules. Okay, now some are the electrical safety rules we learned in last grade. Here, electrical equipment used by authorized or approved by a government recognized organization, means ISO mark labels. Only equipment we have to use. Okay, damaged and hazardous electrical equipment should be immediately replaced, means you change immediately. Take care that the outlet circuit should not be overloaded. These all are the electrical safety rules. Now, first aid also. But now in this session, in today's session, we will study the year prevent accident and emergencies. Only 3 to 4 topics are in this session. Now, what is meant by accident, emergencies, types of accident, causes of accident, how to reduce the accident, what precautions we have to take, emergency, and handling of the accident. Only few topics. See here. Now, accident, then emergencies, types of accidents. Okay. Now, here an emergency situation. Okay. And causes of the emergency, natural or man-made. Now, this all topic I show you through the PPT only in 10th session. Now, open your textbook and keep with you. Here, someone is joined with fake name. I will remove. And now I am going to log the meeting.
Who, sir? Nobody joined, no?
Yes, miss. One student is joined with another name. Don't know. So I am going to log the meeting. And student, it's your duty. If anyone is joined with fake name, immediately you have to inform to your teachers. Now see here. Now in this session, we will study the prevent accident and emergencies. Now what is meant by accident? Yes. An accident is an unplanned event that may happen all of a sudden. It's called the accident. Now see here. See here. An accident is an unplanned event that may happen all of a sudden and may lead to unwanted or unprecedented result or outcomes. It's called the accidents. See here. And an accident at workplace is a physical or mental injury and following an incident or exposure, or it can be defined as an unfortunate incident that occurs unintentionally, causing hazardous result or injury or unwanted result. Is called the accident. See here, I give you example, but accident will happen at your workplace. Not only at your workplace, but outside also accident will be happen. Suppose if you accidentally get injured in the workplace, many of the where we are working, their accident will happen. The injury is not necessarily caused by at workplace or by using your work. Okay. For example, you are getting up from a chair and suddenly got a strain in your neck. Okay. Then how you will be examined an accident at work? If any accident or incident will happen at your workplace, how will be examined? That time we have to follow the some few points, or we have to assess the few points at the accident at work. We need the following: your employer's signature and the incident or exposure occurred, as well as an additional information. Means your employee's signature and then additional information need to maintain. Why? Because sometime you have to hospitalize to your employee. That time you have to provide some additional information, in which department he is working, age, date of birth, okay, and signature also. Then second point in that means information about your employee's insurance company, because where we are working, their health insurance are there. So if you want to claim, so we need to inform to your related insurance company for claim. Okay, and medical certificate describing the injury you have sustained due to the incident or exposure. Means when you are joining after recovery, you need to be present the medical certificate. Okay, this point we have to assess after the accident. Okay, understand? Yes, you understand what is meant by accident? An accident is an unplanned event that may happen. Okay, now the next one. Now the types of accident. Let us see the here types of accident. Okay. Now there are the many types of accident. Accident may be the following types: accident at workplace, slip, trips, and falls. Okay. Now see this image. Here first image is the slip, second one is the trip, and third image is the falls. Okay. Now see here. One of the common accident at workplace is slipping on wet floor. Okay. Suppose in your where you are working, there wet floors are there, or slippery tile surface is there. You will fall down there. Okay. And other risk is falling from the height while working, falling from stairs. These accidents can happen in any work environment, and the injuries sustained can range in severity. Okay, if you were injured in the course of work as the result, slip and falls of or other type of accident. You understand this? First type of accident: slip, trips, and falls. Okay. Now the next type of accident is muscle strain. Second one is the muscle strain. Another common type of, here let us see the here common type of accident at workplace. Okay, second one is the muscle strain. Another common type of accident is strained muscles. This situation can occur with the person who regularly lifts heavy items at workplace. Okay, and here continuously work on the computer system with incorrect body posture. Okay, so here daily you are also using the system mobile, so your body posture is very important. Otherwise in future you may face the muscle strain. These injuries can be avoided easily. How to avoid this injury? Yes, how to avoid this muscle strains injury? Here by following the few guidelines, rules and regulations. Okay, means we need to give the training to our employees. Okay, how to lift the heavy items, then how to sit in front of the system. This training we have to provide to our employees and reduces the accidents. Okay, then third is the being hit by falling objects. Being hit by falling objects. Here, at the workplace or construction, if construction site is there, okay, it may happen some objects may fall on you, okay, from shelves or out of the cupboard. Books निकालते वक्त or in any construction field, that time any means the object will be fall. Wait, networking issues. I am sharing my screen. Now it is visible on your screen, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next type of accident is being hit by falling objects. Okay. Now at the workplace, it may happen some objects may fall on you from shelves or cupboard or in construction sites. Okay, causing some nasty injuries. Okay, then how to protect from such type of means accidents? How to reduce this accident? By providing to your employees adequate storage cage. Okay, you have to provide the storage cage. Then reminding employees of how to store items safely can go a long way to reducing this risk. And you have to give some training to your employees also. And you have to label this notification. Which notification? Caution, falling object risk. If construction site is there, you have to label this signs also. And you have to provide, if construction site is there, you have to provide the helmet also. Some instrument you have to provide to your employees. Now the next one is the here, road traffic accidents. Road traffic accident means here at your place and outside also you may face the road traffic accident. Okay, here accident resulting in crash or impact injuries are also quite frequent at work. अगर accident होता है कोई employee का, so indirectly impact on your work. तो वो employee work नहीं कर सकेगा. If worker or employee will not work, then it will be effect on your production. Or the reasons of this road traffic accident is it may be involves cars, lorries, bus, two-wheelers, or any other vehicles. Okay, it's therefore up to employees to ensure that seat belts and other safety precautions in both in place and use where appropriate and give the proper training. Means you have to provide to your employees seat belt or gives proper training and how to use this instrument. सब इसका training देना चाहिए. Understand? As like we can avoid the road traffic accident. Then next one is the industrial diseases, illness or inhaling toxic fumes. Okay, while most of us don't work with hazardous chemicals, we are not working in hazardous chemical factory, then also we face the problem because of the smoke. Okay, those of us who do may be at risk of skin. तो इस वजह से क्या हो सकता है? Risk of skin, eye reactions. Sometimes the chemical mix with water, then the surrounding people drink water and they may fall ill. So such type of accident, ये भी क्या हो गया? This is also one type of accident. And see here, so you have to provide worker protective equipment, those who are working in chemical factories, and give guidelines to the villagers, nearer villages if chemical factories are there. And then which type of instrument you can provide to your employees? Protective equipment like a safety glass, mask, apron, etc. As like we can reduce the industrial diseases and illness. Then next one is the sports related accident. Now what is sports related accident? See here. while playing also accidents will happen there. Okay, the while playing person may be injured. Wait 1 minute, let me check the list. While playing also person may be injured. Which type of injured? Most sports common injuries are shoulder injury, knee injury, hamstring injury, hamstring strain, tennis or golf elbow. These all are the face the problem related with the sports. Okay, shoulder injury हो सकती है, knee injury हो सकती है, hamstring means क्या होता है? क्या होता है? चल नहीं सकते. ओके, टेनिस और गल्फ एल्बो, ये सब स्पोर्ट्स रिलेटेड एक्सीडेंट्स है. यू अंडरस्टैंड टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सीडेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय एक्सीडेंट? यस, देयर आर द मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स. ओके, here slips, falls, trips. Then next one is the being hit by falling object, road traffic accident, sports related accident, industrial diseases, illness. These all are the types of accident. Yes, Ishita?
Sir, what is meaning of tennis or golf elbow?
See here, टेनिस और गल्फ एल्बो मीन्स हियर व्हाइल प्लेइंग टेनिस ना, हैंड में आता है. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि नहीं? ये देखो यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे पेन होता है. दिस इज द टेनिस और गल्फ एल्बो. सी माय माउस पॉइंटर. और यहाँ पे कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे देखो, सी हियर. और हियर आल्सो एल्बो को भी होता है नीचे, और नी को भी होता है यहाँ पे. मीन्स एकदम से क्या हो जाता है? वॉक नहीं कर सकते या टर्न नहीं कर सकते. टेनिस और गल्फ एल्बो.
Sir, it means jerk, no?
Yes, yes. Now the next one is the, yes, any doubt in accidents? Yes, anyone have doubts in accident?
No, sir.
The next one is the emergency.
No, sir.
Now let us see the here emergencies. Okay, there are the many types of accident. मैं यहाँ पे जो important है वही लिया. See here, fight at work, वो भी accident होता है. Fight at work means where we are working. If two groups are there, दोनों के बीच में झगड़े होते हैं, वो भी क्या हो गया? एक्सीडेंट हो गया. Then next one is the workplace emergency. Now what is mean by emergency? Emergency यानी क्या है? Yes, any unexpected situation that needs immediate attention and action is called the emergency. And emergency situation is one that threaten the employees, customers, or the public. Then disturb or shut down the operation, causes physical or environmental damages. These all are the workplace emergency. You understand what is meant by workplace emergency? Yes, here.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Then how to the best way to protect yourself, your workers, and your business is to expect the unexpected and develop a well thought out emergency action plan. अगर आपको इससे प्रोटेक्ट करना है तो आपके जो भी वर्कर्स है उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा? ट्रेनिंग देना पड़ेगा. ओके, एक्शन प्लान you have to keep with you ready with your action plan and to guide you when immediate action is necessary. एक्शन प्लान रहा अपन मीन्स जैसा इन केस ऑफ फायर आपका एक्शन प्लान क्या चाहिए? You need to draw the first plan, means where you are working, how many floors are there, how many rooms are there, you have to label all the rooms. Then where is window, that also you have to label. You have to make 2 escape routes. Okay, and then after means in case of fire, where you have to meet or gather after escaping. Okay, this is your action plan. और उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? यू नीड टू टेक द कंडक्ट द रेगुलर ड्रिल्स, मीन्स मॉक ड्रिल्स. प्रैक्टिस लेना पड़ता है एक्सीडेंट या इंसिडेंट होने के पहले. एंड यू हैव टू गिव द गाइडलाइंस. ये सब क्या है? एक्शन प्लान में आता है. as like we can protect and avoid the accidents. Now next point is your here emergencies may be natural or man-made. अब emergencies both types के हैं, natural भी रह सकते हैं, man-made भी रह सकते हैं. Fire, explosion, floods, earthquake, hurricane, tornado, ये सब क्या है? Natural calamities है. Then toxic material release, civil disturbances, then workplace violence. Workplace violence means here where we are working there the fighting जो करते हैं ये करते हैं उसका डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्ट किस पे होता है? वर्क पे होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? These all are the emergencies, maybe natural or man-made. Fire, explosion, floods, earthquake, hurricane. Okay. Yes, any doubts regarding this? Yes.
No, sir.
Any doubts, Bata? Now, one point is remain in this session. I show you. Handling accidents. अगर एक्सीडेंट हो भी गया तो उसको कैसे हैंडल करेंगे? हाउ टू हैंडल द एक्सीडेंट? एक्सीडेंट मस्ट बी हैंडल्ड केयरफुली. द एक्सीडेंट शुड बी हैंडल्ड कंपनसेटली विदाउट असाइनिंग ब्लेम ऑन अदर्स. मीन्स आपके वजह से हुआ, इसके वजह से हुआ, ये ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहिए. Here, every organization must follow SOP for accident handling. What is meant by SOP? Standard Operating Procedure. जो भी गवर्नमेंट रिकॉग्नाइज रहता है वो स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना चाहिए. Then safety measures must be placed to prevent workplace accident. Safety measures means क्या रखना चाहिए? Here means goggles, aprons, helmets. Okay, जो भी सेफ्टी मेजर्स हैं वो सब प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए at workplace. Immediately call the medical team for any injury. अगर एक्सीडेंट हो भी गया, first we have to give the first aid and call the medical team, or we have to hospitalize in hospital. Okay, and stay alert. If dangerous machines are there and you are working on machine, तो आपको अलर्ट रहना चाहिए. Okay. Then pay attention to and follow emergency drill. जैसा मैंने बताया था, conduct regular drill means mock practice आपको लेना चाहिए. These all are the handling accident points. Yes, any doubts related with this lesson? Anyone? किसी को डाउट है क्या?
What is that SOP, sir? SOP
में स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर जो गवर्नमेंट आपको देती है, दैट इज नोन एज SOP. हियर नाउ अभी SOP कौन सा है? लॉकडाउन में गवर्नमेंट आपको क्या दे रही है? वेयर मास्क, वॉश योर हैंड्स. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर. इसी तरह फैक्ट्रीज में, कंपनीज में भी गवर्नमेंट कुछ गाइडलाइंस देते हैं, दैट वी हैव टू फॉलो. देयर इज नोन एज द SOP, standard operating procedure. Yes, any doubts related with this lesson? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In previous lesson also no one have doubt, and this lesson also no one have doubts. Okay. Now your one means last lesson is protect health and safety at work. And after that I will take again your some practical based lessons. Okay. अभी उसके बाद कुछ अभी theoretical base हो गया अभी. Then hereafter I am taking the practical base. ये कल खत्म हो जाएगा. Protect health and safety at work. Now I will take the your Menti quiz. You are ready for Menti quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, open your browser and type the www.menti.com. Because today time is more, no problem. Yes, type in your browser www.menti.com and use the code 201776 2017 7654. Two zero 2017 7654. Join fast, remaining student also. You also. Other teachers are also taking Menti quiz or any other quiz.
Yes, sir. Manisha Miss is
Yes.
taking.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Manisha,
sir.
sir, please tell the code again.
Yes, sir.
Then
2017 7654. Next week, I will take you a different type of quiz. Quiz, puzzles. Puzzles also I am taking your, but next week. Join fast. 2017 7654. Code is. Can I start Menti quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now your first question is. Wait 1 minute. No, already you are joined here. Yes, ready. Now first question is, every organization must follow dash rules and regulations safely, safety, smoothly, or all rules. Now 6 seconds are left. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now your time's up. Now you check your answers. Safety, very good. Every organization must follow safety rules. Okay, safely nahi. Safety is the correct answer. Now check the leaderboard. On your school leaderboard, we can see the top 10 students' names. Congratulations, the students. Rudraksh, Tanmay, Sumit, Pranav, Gauri, Raman, Gayatri, Yash, Pranali, Shyam. Congratulations, beta. Remaining student, you also don't worry. Ready for next question. Yes, second question. Which of the following can be considered at the workplace to avoid or maximize any hazardous? See, think and give answer. See, your correct answer is timely repairs. If any maintenance is there, you have to timely repair. These all the things. Now check the answer. Check the leaderboard. Only 2 students attempted correct. Kshitija and Ananya. Congratulations, beta. Now ready for next question. Third question. Yes, third question is, which of the following is one of the fire safety rules? Conduct regular drill, wear non-slippery footwear, floor must be clean and dry, oil spill must be clean immediately. Time's up. Now check your answer. Now correct answer is conduct regular drill. सियर फायर सेफ्टी के लिए आपको क्या रहना करना चाहिए? मॉक प्रैक्टिस मीन्स कंडक्ट रेगुलर ड्रिल्स. नाउ चेक योर लीडर बोर्ड. Congratulations, Ananya, Pranav, Karan, Vedant, Mokshada, Shyam, Gangotri, Nachiket, Kshitija, Riddhi. Congratulations, beta. Now ready for next question. Fourth one. Yes, question number 4. Ready? The dash help to save the lives if provided effectively and on time. Yes, correct answer is first aid. The first aid help to save the life if provided effectively and on time. Okay, now check the leaderboard. Top 10 student name we can see on our leaderboard. Ananya, Karan, Pranav, Vedant, Gangotri, Mokshada, Shyam, Kshitija, Riddhi, Nachiket. Congratulations, beta. And you will be ready for last question. Yes. And dash at workplace is a physical or mental injury following an accident or exposure. Time's up. Accident. Correct answer is emergency. Yes. Here, which answer is correct? Actually, here answer is wrong fitted here, emergency, but correct answer is the accident. Here, correct answer क्या आएगा? Accident. An accident at workplace. गलती से emergency select हो गया answer, feeding हो गया. But correct answer is an accident at workplace is a physical or mental injury following an accident or exposure. Now check the today's winner. Now, congratulations, Vedant. Take a screenshot, beta. Congratulations. Yes, students, any doubt regarding this session? Yes, anyone have doubt? You ask your doubt because less than 1 minute is left.
1 minute remaining only.
Yes.
Yes, anyone is having any doubts?
Yes, Nachiket. Again, tomorrow I will take your Menti quiz. Because last question में गड़बड़ी रहने से point mismatch हो गए होंगे. But still we have to encourage to the student. Yes, anyone have doubts? No doubt.
Sir.
Okay, beta. Tomorrow again I will take your Menti quiz and last session is 11th session. Okay.